Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the crypto total market cap and running over Bitcoin and some altcoins, and then touching on the new Elliott Wave Power series, how I brought back my site, and some updates just for high altitude in general. Also, you guys, if you're not part of the Discord, I do post free charts and analysis on occasion in there. Today I posted in the announcements an update on the total market cap, and if you just go ahead and check in the description of this video, you can find the link to the Discord to get in here. And even if you are a free viewer, you can actually get quite a bit of value from our Discord group either way. Now this right here is the crypto total market cap. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. This is an ABC correction. And this is a wedge. So the wedge are the pink lines. It's where prices are wedging. And this is a bull flag right here. The reason that I point these out is because there are a lot of chart patterns working in confluence here to see a 3-wave coming in the total market cap, which would provide a huge opportunity for profit all towards the end of this year and probably the spring of the next year. And the reason that I'm watching this really closely is because if we can get a big enough volume spike, what I'm looking for is really about a $668 billion volume spike and a breakout in this bullish flag. So the resistance, or the price resistance, of 266 billion in total cryptocurrency market capitalization, according to TradingView's calculations at least. And the MACD cross or curl, so if these two lines cross through each other, and we can kind of curl back up above the 33 billion level on the MACD, that would be the things that would really signal for a strong 3-wave coming in the market, which could easily take us back up to the previous all-time highs of total cryptocurrency market capitalization, which means we would be going from 242 billion all the way back up to the $700 billion levels again. And when you think about that type of a move coming in the market, it makes sense to at least make a video about it and let you guys know that that is what's very possibly coming here with crypto. And, you know, Bitcoin as a whole is in a bull flag as well. We can draw a bullish flag pattern. So that means that if the resistance level on Bitcoin of about $9,700 per Bitcoin breaks out, we're going to move up again. We're going to see upside. And with altcoins, our beautiful altcoins, they'll pop off pretty hard too. If Bitcoin starts curling, Ethereum did an ABC correction. Looks pretty similar to 2015 Bitcoin, if anybody was around for that. We've got EOS, which is also in disbelief. This did an expanded flat, an ABC, but the B wave extends the height. So this is what we call an expanded flat, ABC. And this is disbelief. As far as trading patterns go, this one's a little bit more of a falling wedge pattern here. But you know, it already broke out of that falling wedge pattern with a volume spike. And then looking at Litecoin, which is one I've been recommending to buy quite a bit lately, Litecoin has also seen a bullish engulfing candlestick. So that is where the bulls are engulfing the bears. Look at that. The bear candle is so much smaller than the bull candle that came after. So that's a bullish engulfing. It looks pretty nicely set up as a price reversal here. And this one is a lot more of a falling wedge pattern as well in the pattern perspective. And really just most of cryptocurrency as a market is setting up for something beautiful here. And I wanted to point this out to you guys to bring awareness. I know I made a video recently to diversify into some altcoins, and I still really think that's a good idea. to diversify into altcoins. Engine coin. I mean, you guys, if you know much about market cycle analysis, this is looking a lot like a disbelief. Now, with Engine coin, I want to see some bigger volume spikes coming up out of this wedge. I want to see volume start to proceed price, where we get some huge spikes and price kind of accumulates up and sees a reversal. And the reason that I'm watching for Engine coin is because of market cycle analysis. We have this huge impulsive wave, we have this huge retracement, then we have this huge impulsive wave and this huge retracement. This is very typical of a bullish phase, a bearish phase, a phase shift where we get a bull move and a bear move, and then a bull market to come back. So I'm really excited about the potentials that we're seeing here in the market caps as a whole. And it's not just Bitcoin, it's altcoins as well. So that's why I charted the total market cap. And you guys, again, links in the description for my Discord. If you are looking for some free analysis stuff, you can find some there. I also post on my TradingView occasionally. You can get some charts on there as well. I brought back the high altitude website. Currently, the highaltitudecrypto.io domain isn't functioning, and the site that I had on that domain is still working on being brought back via backups. But I brought this one back for anybody that is interested in looking at what we're doing here at High Altitude, and you can also become a VIP. Now, I have an Elliott Wave Power Series. I really don't have a lot of them available for sale, and I really only want to sell it to people that are actually serious about learning this, because I put some extremely important tools in there that I really don't want the public as a whole to have their hands on, specifically for the reason of once a lot of people get their hands on trading techniques that are really, really good, the amount that they're applicable and applicable does get reduced to some degree. So the Elliott Wave Power Series is really my best secrets, and I put them in there as a way to make it so that only serious people about learning this stuff can actually get them. So you can purchase this on Wednesday. I'll probably be doing a live stream, and I might have a discount on Wednesday, but I just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention because all of the videos are recorded for it. And for the people that were part of the test group at the beginning of the year, you will be getting an email with all of the episodes sent to you directly, so expect that very soon. And you guys, I really appreciate you tuning in to today's video and today's update. Be prepared for anything when it comes to the markets, but things are looking really, really good. And, you know, be prepared for anything when it comes to oil, silver, and the stock markets. There are some, not all of the stock market I'm bearish on, but some of the major tech stocks and some of the big indices have a potential of a pretty big correction coming. And when this correction happens, it's going to be pretty brutal for a lot of these companies, but it's going to provide a long-term investing opportunity. So it's not going to happen overnight. It could be a 2-year drop. It could be a 5-year drop. I don't know how long the correction's going to be. It could be a 15-year drop. So but what we want to really watch for is our turnaround, some huge red candles and some rejections, and some failures of our upper trend lines when it comes to the S&P. The reason I'm watching this is because foods, oil, like wheat, oil, silver, and crypto are all going to be great hedges against a failing stock market. And I don't know how big this one's going to be, but it could be pretty big. And I'm never a person to want to bring fear into investing, but awareness of a possibility of something pretty intense happening in the world markets and the effect that it would have on our planet is something to be mindful of and prepare yourself for and hedge against, so that you and your family can do better during the potential of an economic crisis or a collapse, or 2008 repeat, or an internet bubble repeat, like 2003 after the internet bubble. These things are real and they happen and they're cyclical in nature. So when that does come back, I don't want you guys to be surprised. And I want you to have enough crypto and food storage and hedges like oil, even if it's just investing in oil digitally, against that as you can. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's episode. I love every single one of you. And I will see you guys in the next videos. As always, stay profitable out there.